So here we have our 4-foot bench. Let's unbox it and assemble. We have the footrest. And the upper bench. So assembly of the collapsible bench. Pop this pin out, line up the holes here, slide the pin through, fold up these legs, slide out these brackets with the push buttons, and that's what the footrest will slide into and lock it in place. So we want to take this, set it down where you want it, grab your footrest, line up these holes here with the brackets there, push in the little button, slide it on, fold down the legs there, and now you're good to sauna. To disassemble, you want to fold the legs up, push in the pins on each side, and pull the footrest off. Set the footrest to the side. Push in the pins to push in those two brackets. Then I like to flip it over. And fold down this side. Pull this pin out. Fold down the leg, and you're good to go.